Hello, good morning, good afternoon. I'm going to quickly rule off under my previous work and I'm going to make a new heading. Today is the 19th, okay, February the 19th. And we are going to do some old work with a little bit of a difference to it. We're going to do mean, median, and mode, as well as range. Okay, I'm going to write down a few numbers. Okay, a football game, and this is how it went. Our team scored 20 yards, then they lost 18, then they scored 4, then they lost 12, then they lost 6, then they 15. Okay, we want to know in total how much yardage did they score when they were playing football. Now, with any set of information, I want you to get into the habit of taking it and rearranging it from least to greatest. Now remember, your negative numbers are always smaller than your positive numbers, and the bigger the negative number, the smaller it is. So I'm going to rearrange this information into negative 18, negative 12, negative 6. I used up this, I used up that, I used up that. The next smallest number would be 4, then 15, then 20. To get the mean, I add it all up and divide by the amount of numbers, by the number of numbers. Okay, so let's add it up. Negative 18 and negative 12 is negative 30. Negative 30 minus 6 is negative 36. What did I do? I put all my negatives together. So this is negative 36. 4 and 15 is 19. 19 plus 20 is 39. So now I look at my final two numbers, negative 36, a positive 39. Which one beats the other one? This one beats the other one. So positives win by a number of 3. So the mean yardage that they gained or lost was a gain of 3 yards. The median is the number in the middle. So this is how I remember it. Middle. Okay, so now I look at my set of numbers and I go from the outside to the inside, and then the number in the middle is my median. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Oh no, what is this? 2 numbers in the middle, which means I gotta get the number in between. So now I go negative 6 plus 4 equals negative 2. There are 2 numbers, so negative 2 divided by 2 gives me a negative 1. So the median yardage was a loss of 1 yard. The mode is the number that repeats the most. Repeats the most. Now if I look at these numbers, there is no number repeating. No number. And because it's no number, I don't put down the word 0, because 0 is a number. You don't want a number. You put down the word none. None. Okay? And by the way, is it possible to have more than one mode? Yes, it is. You could have 2 2s and 2 3s, and then maybe both of them would have been a mode. It's possible to have more than one mode. In this case, we had no mode, so the answer was none. The range is your biggest number minus your smallest number. Big minus small. Okay? My biggest number was 20. My smallest number was negative 18. So 20 minus 18 is 2. Your range is just a range of 2 yards. And now we can practice a little bit more on mean, median, and mode and range. And I think, now that I look on the board, that this might be a lesson for the 20th. So I'm just going to change that into the 20th. yeah, I'll give you a worksheet now and we'll start work. Thank you guys.